Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix the command prompt has been disabled by your administrator in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I'll show you how to fix this problem. First of all, press on Windows key, then type here local group policy. You can see here edit group policy. Open this option. In this you can see here administrative templates. Double click on this. Under this you can see system here. After clicking here, prevent access to the command prompt. Right click on this, then click on edit. If you select enable, you should select not configured or disable. For example, I select disable, then click on apply, click on OK. After doing this, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.